my dear sisters, my family members, and all my friends, including our past pupils, my students, my retired teacher of Holy Family Convent, and all my friends from my mission field. I am really proud and overwhelmed to see you all, and I am happy because I love you all. I am sure you had a beautiful celebration of the Eucharistic celebration. His grandmother and my mother are blood sisters. His grandmother is the eldest in the family and my mother is the youngest. But they love one another. And we love one another. So any celebrations in UK or France, whenever we attend, they all say that you are together always and plan everything. We are proud of it. I am proud of this day because of Father Rajan and especially the family of Mr. and Mrs. Sivagunam, because they are the cause for printing this mass booklet. It is within a short notice. I am very, sometimes I can say, a little disappointed. When I see the photos, I could have printed the photos of our early mothers with whom I work in Jaffna Convent, and all the sisters, and the memory of Rome. When I saw this first booklet, I was a little disappointed, but what has happened is happened. You have to accept that. Maybe there's another occasion to produce something with all the photos and the videos of this 50 years of celebration. I am really happy to belong to a family. Today for this occasion, not only Rajan or Mr. Sivagunam's family, so many of them are here. They put their hands and minds, including my niece's family, and till midnight we were decorating this hall, because only after 8:30 we got this hall. And Sister Sandra and Sister Teresa was with us from our community. We are happy at least we have their solidarity, even though the pouring of rain, they came to be with us, and Michael from our parish. At today's Mass, I must thank Father Sobenezer because of the youth program he has gone. He is the third chaplain of UK. First Rajan, and then Eugene, and then Father Sobenezer Ratnam. I am telling this for the information of our sisters and those who are here, because they may not know. I thank, my sincere thanks goes to Joe Malone, our best friend from the parish. He willingly accepted to be the sacristan, and he is an ever-ready many-mates battery. Everything, for everything he is ready. So my sincere thanks goes to you. And the altar boy, I don't know the name of that boy, but he is the son of Caroline. Very devotedly he came in time to serve the Mass. And Betty, our lay associate, who is the traditional organ player here in the parish, and she also willingly accepted the role to play for the English hymns. I am very happy and proud, and my sincere thanks goes to Betty. Also my niece Nilani, she had to play for 2 hymns, but for the second hymns he has come over here not to disappoint the congregation, when they come into the hall, everything must be ready. So, Nilani, thank you very much. And now, and Sebastian, the one who is doing all the announcing, she was very, very reluctant to do this job. I said, you can. Father Rajan said, you can. We have to follow beautifully. And my classmate and best friend came from Texas day before yesterday and stayed with her sister and the brother-in-law to participate in the mass and thank. And also she is a photographer and she makes videos for everything. Her house is full of videos. Sometimes I get 2-3 sets of videos of the same kind. I used to send it to somebody and said, I have the extra copy, you have it. Okay, Agnes is like that. There are a few classmates. Agnes, Tiakarani, the one who garlanded me. I am sorry, I forgot today is her birthday. I apologize. Tiakarani, excuse me, in the midst of all this, I forgot. But I mentioned, I'll give an honorable mention of your name after. So, happy birthday, Tiakarani, wherever you are, but you will hear my voice. And Fatima is here. Where is Fatima? Fatima, my classmate. They are there. Why don't you stand up and show yourself? Our people, very many times, even though they have talents, they are very reluctant and they hide themselves. Jesus is asking to show the talent, the one who is there in the third, table. Okay. Thank you, Fatima. We have contacts with the Jaffna Convent and All Girls Association of Lavala Convent to inform the committee members and whoever is belong to the group. Some of them apologize and send a text message and email. But I thank Malini Subramaniam on behalf of the OGA, All Girls Association. You are doing very well and contributing a lot to our Jaffna Convent. Continue to do that for the glory of God. Thank you very much for your. Let them think, if God wants, that is the work of God. If God wants, nothing is impossible. So, this is an appeal to you. And I like to thank each and every one, the sisters of the Holy Family. This is the longest period of longest celebration, I think, for us. Isn't it, Carmen? Anne-Marie? You must know Sister Anne-Marie, she was in Sri Lanka teaching English to both the provinces, youngsters. Very recently she has returned. And Carmel is our provincial versa. And Sister Esther was teaching once upon a time, and during my time she came, and really she was a good teacher to the Colombo and Jaffna province sisters. And I thank the teachers. Gloria, can you please stand up? Where are you? She's a long-standing teacher in Holy Family Jaffna. She knows Mother Visitation, Clare, Columbanus, Baptist and all sisters. And she's Mrs. David. Her children, I taught her children, Deepa and Lakshmi. And there are some teachers who couldn't come today, Jayavadi and Mrs. Balasingam. So, I am proud of Gloria. She telephoned 2-3 times and asked about this day. Thank you, Gloria. If I start thanking everyone, then I will get the, for October, this is a later. No. I know you all excuse me for not mentioning your name, but you are very precious to me. And your presence, your participation, and your contribution in very many ways, I treasure. I carry them to the Lord. I only one thing I could say, our founder founder spirituality is God alone. Life is not easy, but as Grace Fatima said, Father Vijayaratnam, during my formation time, he said, you all have to look at the cross. What happened? That cross will teach you. Until now, I am not living among the bed of roses. My life also is hard in very many ways. Religious life is not very hard, very easy. But before going to bed, look at the cross and recall everything. That is my secret of my being here for 50 years. Look at the cross and say, and recall the whole life of that day. And tell you, Lord, I didn't do whatever you have asked this day. Excuse me. All what I have done, I thank you. Give me the grace to live another new day. And also, for me, there are two eyes. This is naked eyes. One is God, and other one is God's people. You, not only you, the marginalized, abandoned and war-torn people in Sri Lanka, Syria, everybody, not only Sri Lanka, people of God. This gives me real strength. So I share that with you today in my 50 years of celebration. Keep that, cling on to God. God alone through Mary and Joseph. That is our motto. So let us cling to God. No matter what happened. I also, the community sisters know, sometimes I am very abrupt, very angry, very cool or very cold. I hear these remarks, but next time I realize. I tell you, my dear friends, in your family life, in our community life, let us practice and let us support one another by prayers, looking positively and thanking the Lord for all the graces. My niece Nilani used to say, Periyamma if takes the mic, she won't put down.
That's true?
Yes, that is true. That is true, I accept. Maybe that's my weakness or strength, but that is true because I found this is necessary to build up the community or build up the family or build up the relationship. One or two words won't do. You have to talk in a way, in a nice way. So it takes time. So I practice that. Your prayers and your today's presence and your support, your continuous support will give me more and more strength to continue and walk in the path of faith journey. Faith journey. Thank you very much. I pray for you. I keep each and every one of you in my heart. I love you, my dear brothers and sisters.